Hey y'all, it's Rose and I'm back with another video. And if you have bad credit, no credit, and you need to boost your credit scores within the next 30 days, just make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to be recommending a credit builder to you that you can do that for the low price of $10 a month. Now let's get straight into it. For my people who have bad credit, no credit, you need to reestablish credit. It is important that you actually build your credit outside of just disputing. Credit repair or building is a two-step process. You have to build your credit to show, hey, I'm being financed by a company and I'm paying them back on time. And I have a new credit builder for you guys today that is going to help you do that for the low price of $10 a month. It is called KOVO, K-O-V-O. Don't worry, I'll link it in the description for you, and I will link it above right here in this video. Make sure you use the link that I give you guys because you want to be able to sign up for the $10 promotion. It is really good as far as a credit builder. Now, what is a credit builder? A credit builder is an account that actually allows you to boost your credit scores that do not, I repeat, do not require you to have a minimal credit score. So for my people who have bad credit, maybe you don't have any credit established or you need to start rebuilding your credit, KOVO is a great option for you. And of course, I have it linked for you guys. Now, when it comes to credit building, this particular account, it will report within the first 30 days and you roughly can get about a 20 to 30 point boost from adding this one account. The way that it works, there's no credit check, there's no additional financing fees, and it is an instant approval because it is strictly based on you paying your $10 sign up to get started. So you're going to pay $10 a month for 24 months, which comes out to a total of $240. And what this account just does for you monthly is showing, hey, I'm being financed by this company and I'm paying them back on a monthly basis without getting any late payments or having this account go into collections. When you first add it in that first 30 days, like I said, you'll get roughly about a 20 to 30 point boost. And as you continue to pay it on time, it is just going to help build your credit scores and build that positive payment history. And anybody who is looking to establish or reestablish positive credit, that's pretty much all you need to do anyway. Now, a great thing that I also like about KOVO is that they actually have different courses that you can take. They have like a learning center for different courses you can take to learn about starting a small business, budgeting, how to set up your finances properly. There is a multitude of different little courses that you can take. So you're building your credit, you're learning about finances, you're learning different things about starting a small business so that overall you're taking back your financial control and getting your life together. I mean, that's what we really want to do when we're looking to build or reestablish positive credit anyway. Last but not least, the third great thing that I really like about them as well is that they actually show you different types of loans or credit cards that you can get approved for if you do have not so good credit. Now, the way that this works is after you have 4 on-time payments with them on paying your builder account for $10 a month on time, after you have made those 4 on-time payments, you will unlock the next level where they will recommend different personal loans that you can get approved for even if you don't have the best credit. Now, I just want to start out by saying, don't jump the gun and start applying for stuff left and right. You want to still make sure, minimally, if you're looking to get approved for a personal loan or credit card, you want to make sure you're at least in the 600s, minimum to no collections, Very minimal inquiries. So remember, you make 4 on-time payments, you unlock the next level, and they will start recommending different personal loans or credit cards that you can get approved for, which is great for my people who, I know a lot of times I get this question. I've started and I've built my credit, what can I get approved for? What do I do next? So they do give you those options as well as far as what you can do next. So remember, it is time for you to build that credit. It is time for you to stop sitting around worrying about what am I going to do next. I just told you, if you need to start building your credit because you don't have any credit established, or you want to actually re-establish positive credit because you went through something in life, sign up for KOVO Credit Builder. I'll link it above and in the description. It's only $10 a month for 24 months to report that positive payment history. And if you guys need anything from me, if you're wondering how to take your credit to the next level, don't worry. I actually can assist you with actual credit repair. I host a live class every Tuesday at 7:30 Central PM where I show you one-on-one on Zoom. I will pull up your credit report, go over the negative accounts that you need to dispute so that we can get those removed. I've already started the process of recommending you your credit builders so that I can get you to a 650 or higher within the next 3 to 6 months. I host this class every Tuesday at 7:30 Central PM. You'll get full access to me and all of my letters, ebooks, and tutorials in the class. I hope to see you guys there. It's only $21.99 a month. I'll link that up here for you guys as well. And if you need any other help about your credit, please comment below what you need to take your credit to the next level. Thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time, bye y'all. You again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.